Welcome to Bad Wrench Automotive. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and I'm going to explain how you would change the headlights in a Kia Soul. This one is for my Kia Soul people. You guys, getting to change these headlights is not too difficult, but if you don't know what to do, it can really be frustrating. It is buried behind a splash shield that you will need to remove. Towards the tail end of this video, I will be talking about the reason why I choose LEDs over incandescent light bulbs. So make sure you stick around for that. All right, let me show you where these clips are. Then we will go ahead and go into basically how you would take this light out. So the first thing we need to do is remove a pop clip here, a pop clip here, and a pop clip right here. There is also two more underneath the front bumper. There's one here and one back here. So with those 5 pop clips pulled, you'll turn your wheel out and tuck this shield back behind the wheel. This gives you access to go in to the back side of this light. Back side of that light. And with a quarter turn, you remove a large cap, and then with a half turn, you remove the bulb, and then you can unplug the bulb. That bulb will be an H11. So if you've done the headlight, sometimes people want to do headlights and fog lights at the same time. And if you're doing LED, that's a really good idea, but there's an additional step. You will need to remove the bottom splash shield that goes underneath the car. Those are going to consist of 8mm head bolts. I believe there will be 5 or 4 across the front and another 4 towards the back. Then you can go ahead and lower the shield down and pull that shield out of the way. And then you access this light from underneath. This one is a 9006. So you might be asking, what tools do I use to remove those pop clips? You can use a tool that actually pops the centerpiece of the tab out, and then you can remove the clip. Otherwise, you can use a flat screwdriver. Both of those options do work, and I have those tools here for you guys to look at. So right there, either one of those tools will work for pulling the center part of this pop clip right here. You need to take that centerpiece and pop it up. Once you've pulled all of them, you're good to go. Now, why would I choose LED over incandescent? That's a very simple reason. Incandescent generates a lot of heat. That heat puts stress on the plastic lens. The reason you replace your headlights is usually because the headlight bulbs have generated so much heat that it does 2 things to that lens. The first thing that it does is it delaminates the plastic, meaning that it starts peeling the layers of plastic away. The second is the spider webbing that you get within the lens itself. That both conditions are created by the heat of the lens. LED gets rid of that issue to where you won't have that. Plus, at night, driving with LEDs is much better, so it's a lot easier to see further distances with LEDs, which is why I put LEDs in everything. We did LEDs in this one. We're doing LEDs in Big Red. We are going to be doing LEDs in LS Goat. So yes, LS Goat has that lens issue that I'm talking about. We're going to have to replace these headlights. These are delaminating. They're starting to yellow. And we have spidering in the lens. These lenses are shot. So guys, this is how you would go about changing the headlights on your Kia Soul. We have many things going on with the Kia Soul, and I'll be bringing you guys updates when I can, but for the most part, I'm going to probably keep a lot of the Kia Soul content pretty limited. You guys will get clips here and there, but nothing too dramatic. But Make sure you guys hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, ring that notification bell so you get notified when I drop videos. And as always, I'll see you guys on the next one.